afternoon. My name is Mrs. Lapsiwala. Today I will teach you mixed grammar back. That is part of competitive exams. First, I would like to introduce you with question pattern. It consists 10 marks and it consists different types of grammar question. As you can see on the board, see. What is the question? Do as directed in the brackets. The meaning of the sentence should remain unchanged. That means you have to rewrite all the sentences as per direction. Directions are given in the bracket. See, for first use to, for second B use hardly when, and for C, that is change the degree of comparison without changing the meaning. Now I would like to request you to note down all the questions because I am going to tell you answers. So one by one I will tell you answers. Okay, so be ready for mixed grammar bank. Fine. Thank you for your support. First, the bag was so heavy that it could not be carried. Use to. Now we have to use to, but we should be abide by meaning of sentence. So we can't change meaning of sentence. So how would you like to do? See, I am going to speak answers. Be ready with your notebook and pen and start writing. Okay? The bag was too heavy to be carried. You have to remove this part. So heavy that it could not. Okay? Why? Because we are using too. Too, that means too much. So it consists meaning that it was too heavy to be carried. That means the bag was so heavy that it could not be carried. I am going to underline the words which you have to remove. See, you have to cut this word, understand, and instead of these words you have to write too heavy. That is the answer. Now I am going to teach you second one, that is the robber was, so the police. The robber saw the police. He took to his heels at once. Use hardly when. Now you imagine when robber had seen the police, then he might have taken to his heels at once. That means he might have run away. So what is first situation? Hardly. So generally for past tense, the fact which is done for the first moment, and then when second situation happens, then we use past perfect tense for first fact. Hardly the robber had seen the police when he took to his heels. Means hardly, as soon as he had seen the police, he took to his heels at once. So correct answer would be hardly the robber had seen the police, he took to his heels at once. Now C, option C. No other metal is as useful as iron. Change the degree of comparison without changing the meaning. You don't have to change meaning, but you have to change the degree of comparison. As useful as, which degree it is? It is positive degree. Now I am going to convert it into comparative degree. Be ready with notebook and pen. What would be comparative degree? See, looking to the sentence, we can see that meaning of sentence is that no other metal is as useful as iron. Means iron is more useful than any other metal. That is comparative degree. So what will be answer? Iron is more useful than any other metal. That is comparative degree. If I want to convert it into superlative degree, what will be answer? Iron is the most useful metal of all metals. If you have doubt, you can ask me at 9106225724, and I will give you some important notes about grammar rules. Thank you.